Hello friends, welcome back to Resinween. I guess I'm in a nostalgic mood right now because, I just needed to pull out some old favorites this week. So, I pulled out these tarot card molds. You can see right there. They are so cool. I'm trying to remember if these were Let's Resin or not. I can't remember. Either way, they'll be linked in the description, obviously. I think I've had these for 2 years now. Probably 2. But yeah, so I wanted to dust them with some chameleon powders. I've got this 10-piece chameleon powder set. I think that Let's Resin sent this to me when they sent me the dice molds. And I am still, I guess, affiliated with them, although I haven't heard anything from them since. But anyway, everything's listed in the description. So I pulled out the Galaxy Chameleon Powder. I have pulled out the Grape Chameleon Powder. And then also the Teal Chameleon Powder. So, I'm going to do a little bit of dusting. I was thinking that I would mix them up into the molds, but now I'm thinking I might do like one color for each mold. I'm not sure. I guess keep watching the video and you'll find out. Yeah. So, super simple and easy one. Obviously, we'll be pouring black resin with this stuff today. So, yeah. Super simple and easy. Let's go ahead and let's get started, shall we? Hang tight. Alright, friends. These are cured. Let's go ahead and start demolding. I'm excited. I'm also thinking that I'm going to finish these off in a little bit of a different way than I typically do. By the way, you guys are getting to see them before I do, so let me know what they look like. Are they cool? Do they look cool? Okay. So that's the first bit. Ew. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so funny. In real life, if I turn it this way, it's purple. But this way, it's like green. And then there's a gold in there. But on screen, I don't know what it is about these chameleon powders, but they always look different in real life than they do on the screen. That's so funny. Okay. Let's get these other ones out. So, typically the way that I would finish these off, and I do have a handful of videos, like 3 or 4 videos on my channel already, where I finish off some stuff. One of them is directly titled How to Finish Your Resin Pieces. The way that I typically do it is I use like a straight edge, so something like this, right, with the paint, and I scrape the paint into the nooks and crannies, and then I use a paper towel to wipe it away. However, this time I'm thinking that I'm going to be a little bit more reserved. I don't want to use a ton of paint, and I don't want to use a ton of paper towels. I want to be less wasteful. So I think what I'm going to do is grab a paintbrush, preferably one that doesn't have a bunch of powder in it. And I want to like paint the white on and then use a little bit of the paper towel to, and this will also hopefully keep it from getting onto all of the edges, you know, and needing to be cleaned up even more. So, we're just going to move these over out the way. The colors are very, very pretty. Again, I'm seeing them much differently in person than you guys are. Hopefully, the glamour shots at the end, you'll be able to see what I'm seeing. So, I'm just going to grab one, and we're going to try to finish it off this new way, right? And then if that works, then I will finish them off the same and go from there. Okay, so let's zoom it in a little bit. So I picked out the High Priestess, just randomly. I was also trying to decide between the white or the metallic gold, but looking at how much gold is within these pieces, which right now, that's purple to you, that's gold to me, and green. So I think I'm going to forego the gold. I think I'm going to stick with my white, and we're going to see how this goes. Let me do this also. I'm going to get one of these little like silicone cups. Oh, I don't want that chunk of dried in there. Thank you. Okay. And this is a cheaper paint. I think it's from Walmart. And I like these because they are so liquidy. So they go into these little nooks and crannies so easily. Look at that. I mean, is it going to take longer? Yeah. Is it worth it to not have to waste a bunch of product, waste a bunch of paper towels, and spend a whole bunch of other time cleaning it up? Yeah, I think so. We should actually time this. I should have timed it to see how long it would take me to finish. But yeah, so we're just going to make sure we get everything filled in. And once we do that, we will grab our paper towel. And again, this is going to be a dry paper towel. I don't want to wet the paper towel because it could accidentally just pull all of the paint out that we just laid in to the inlays. Okay, how's that look? Okay, so we'll grab our paper towel. Let's see. I'm just rubbing softly. I'm not trying to tear up the paper towel, although this is kind of tearing it up a little bit. I think I was being a little rough there at first. There we go. Did somehow manage to get a little bit on the sides, but that's not bad. See? It's beautiful. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to do it this way for the rest of these. So stick around for the glamour shots. All of these will be completed at the end. Thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.